Hello guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create custom transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So to do that, come to the import button here. So when you come to the import button, basically you're going to import the video of your choice. Now I'll import this video here. Then after importing the first video, basically you have to wait for it to load. Then when it finishes loading, basically you need to drag it, then drop it in the timeline. The timeline is over here. So I'll drag it, then I drop it in the timeline over here. Okay, so I'll let it go there. Alright, so now the next step is quite simple. We're going to import the second video. Okay, so after the first video has been imported successfully, the next step is to import the second video within our DaVinci Resolve. So you want to do the same thing basically, or what you can do, if you want to import the second video, basically you can copy the first video, then paste it, then it will be playing after the first video has finished playing. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'll come to the first video here, then I'll right click. Okay, so you tap on it here in the timeline, then you right click. So when you right click, come to copy over there. Then when you come to copy, left click. Now come to the space here and now right click, then paste. Okay, so after pasting, this is the second video. Now I'll drag the second video and I'll bring it this side here so that it can fit in the same line with the first video. So it's basically the same video, but when the first clip has finished playing, the transition will come in here in the middle here. Okay, so I'll move this one here, then I put it in the middle here where the videos interchange from. Okay, so I'll come to transitions here. So basically I'll just come and click here on transitions. Then after clicking on transitions, basically I'll wait for it to load. Alright, so these are the transitions we're having. So I'll basically choose one which says then and now. Then I'll tap on the plus icon. So when I tap on the plus icon, just say okay. Alright, so basically the transition has been added at this point here where I put this line now. So let's play this video and see how the transition basically works. Okay, so let me reduce the volume a bit. Alright, so now let's play it and see. Okay, so I hope you have seen the transition. It came just right here. Just right here. So I'll take it back again. So that is the transition, guys. Alright, so thank you for watching.